Another new arrival in the shop today. All right, we are looking at here a Gibson J-50. Now this one, if you're looking at it and it doesn't quite look right to you, there's definitely been a lot of parts that have been switched out over the years here. The pick guard probably is probably the most obvious one here, but this guitar's probably had a lot of different owners here. So I'm just going to pan through so you can see all the detail. This one probably comes in the, I'd say late 60s, maybe 1967 according to the serial number, but sometime in the 60s here. The condition's so-so. You can see here it's belling just a little bit here below the saddle and bridge there. It's got quite a few nicks and dings on it. But let me just pan up here so you can see all the detail here. You get an idea of which parts have been swapped out previously and which ones might be original. You can see here it could use a little bit of cleaning going up to the headstock. All right, let's take a look at the tuners here. You can see the serial number is stamped into the back as it should be. See if I can catch that in the glare for you. 887611. Check out those tuners again, going back down the neck. It's got a nice tight connection here to the body. See if I can give you an idea how straight it is, looking down the neck there. Not too bad. It's got a little bit of a bow there. Not too bad. So this is definitely, a guitar you can play, but if you're going to really play it, professionally or on stage, you're probably going to want to have some work done to it. A project guitar. But if you like old vintage guitars, definitely check this one out here. Really neat history. You can actually see this came with the guitar in the case here. You don't see stuff like this anymore. Pretty neat find. But really neat guitar here. The Gibson J-50 vintage guitar from the 60s. Well, I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like more information on this guitar, you can check it out on our website. I'll include a link in the description below. And if you're curious what your guitar is worth, we'll make an offer on it. We consider just about any item, not just musical instruments, just about any item worth over $100 that's easy to ship. So everything from gadgets and guitars to cameras and collectibles, let us know. We'll make an offer on it.